Forget everything you know about construction. These guys are taking this industry to the next level and doing it in style. Today we're going to show you the most ingenious construction workers on another level and prove that nothing is impossible for a true professional. It usually takes a long time to take down scaffolding, but this worker could do it in a single motion. You are now witnessing the world's most accurate arborist at work. For him, this is just the start of a typical workday. Professional builders don't know what it's like to procrastinate. Watch them build a roof faster than you can blink. Watching this guy do flooring no matter what the challenge is. Proves that people can do anything and respect for him. Now this is what I call a freaky fast delivery. Why work harder when you can work smarter? No, this isn't a training session of the coolest kung fu master, just a day in the life of a professional builder. This worker's skill with the foam filling is like magic. It's amazing how this guy makes a stone wall without a single stone. It's going to take masters of cable management like these to fix the mess behind my PC. These workers don't just lay tile, they create art. Check out that perfect circle. Hard to reach places? This builder doesn't even know what that means because he can climb anywhere. Watch this artist amazingly transform a floor's look with the help of liquid plastic. In just 1 year, a team of workers managed to make a tunnel through a mountain, and its diameter equal to the size of a two-story house is truly amazing. Check out this life hack from a carpet restorer. He covers it with a special film that protects it from dirt. Using nothing but a drill and some imagination, a jack of all trades can turn any wall into a work of art. The Olympic team needed a 2 million gallon pool built in a very short time. Sounds impossible, right? Believe it or not, these workers did it in just 10 days. This builder is about to share their secret of how to make a beautiful concrete railing in a matter of minutes. This road worker has the skills to make any pothole disappear with some gravel. No, this craftswoman doesn't just lay concrete, she creates a three-dimensional copy of the moon, and with the right lighting, Her creation is indistinguishable from the real thing. You won't believe how these people decided to move an entire barn. Synchronized manpower, that's how. And just like that, a new barn is built in just 8 hours. A true craftsman doesn't need a paper to make a perfect road, just some acrylic paint and a little time. Think a construction site has to have a crane? Well, this builder would disagree with you. Turns out renovations don't actually take very much time to complete, if done by this duo, of course. Only an experienced master can replace a broken step without breaking the entire staircase. It's definitely never going to break again. Thanks to this professional fort builder, your home will stay clean even after the dustiest of renovations. This may look like just a broken tile to us, but for this master, it's an opportunity to create a masterpiece. A professional electrician like this needs a strong safety net because a rope isn't strong enough to hold his titanic self-confidence. This city doesn't need a special signed striping crew because they have a guy who does it the best. This crew invented their own tool for leveling concrete. These workers don't need special materials to build a roof, just bricks. How do they do it? Central Time rock may be tough, but this worker's skills are tougher. Meanwhile, these guys went ahead and split what appears to be an entire mountain. While we're still dreaming of owning an exoskeleton, this house painter from the future has been using it at work for a while now. Work of this master could seriously be shown in an art gallery. Now look at the guys who found a way to make a road out of pavers. Without using actual pavers. It may seem like a scene from a movie, but this is actually how these professional builders work. This person uses the most unusual building material, water reed, and what he creates is truly amazing. Turns out you can make a brick wall in half the time, all thanks to this genius. And with the help of this excavator's driver's skills and ingenuity, he was able to prevent an entire dam from breaking. If you saw this perfect work in the middle of the street, would you ever think it was made with bare hands? Now get ready to see a real masterclass in the wooden fence made with cement. The only secret to this group's productivity is solid teamwork. When you watch this true pro at work, may seem like putting up the scaffolding for a construction site is as easy as Lego, but trust me, it's not. A real master craftsman can do anything, even turn a steel pipe into a wooden one. This woman isn't looking for a man with a house, because she can build one herself. This worker is still loyal to his old asphalt paving machine, which has never let him down. Who needs a conveyor belt when there are brilliant ideas like this? This artist has no room for even the slightest mistake, but who said he would make a mistake? Now check out the unusual technology of building a road from scratch. A man needs to have created at least one house on his own to impress this woman. With craftsmen like this, the roof will be finished before the first drop of rain falls. Sure, breaking is easier than building, but only if you're a true guru of the excavator. This man just came up with the best way to not ruin perfectly flat concrete. It must be the easiest and most ingenious way to paint accurately. While other couples can't decide which wallpaper they want, people just make their own. Genius came up with an easy way to move 42-foot poles. Such a worker is more efficient than an entire brick factory. These workers had to make cuts every 6 inches, so they figured out a way to not only do their jobs perfectly but also save their backs. Forget